Hello guys, I am Andrea from Cuoredicioccolato. Today we prepare a really Italian recipe from the south of Italy, from Apulia. Fichi secchi mandorlati. The translation is dry figs with almonds inside. For this recipe I want to thank nonna Palma, that is the grandmother of Dario. She is 93, 94 years old, only to understand the situation, so the recipe will be spectacular. Now we'll pick up a little bit of more figs. You need to find mature figs, but not too much. They should be a little bit hard because we need to cut them. See you after the intro. I was able to find 18 figs perfect to dry. The other one, they were too mature or too small. They are already cooking in the pot. Probably you already watched the video because I'm making the figs jam. Now we need to work our figs. We need to cut them in two, but keeping them together. So you have two options. Or you cut from the top like this and you leave the bottom together, or you cut from the bottom and you leave the top together. Very easy. Years ago they were drying the figs on, we can say, kind of bamboo put together. Now I know that you don't have it, so you can use a piece of wood like this, or a cutting board made by wood, or a container in metal like this that you put in the oven usually. This is the one that I use to make pizza at home. Why? This is also good, especially now that the sun is not so powerful anymore, because it's the end of the season in Italy. Because you will take the power directly from the sun, and also the pot will be hot. So this will help the figs to dry faster. So I will do both the version. In this way we can notice the differences. And after we need to put under the sun. In Italy, here in Apulia, it's very easy because the roof of the house are flat. So if you put on the roof, you will get the sun all day long. If you have no roof like this or place like this, you can put in the courtyard. But it's very important, when there is no sun anymore, you need to take your figs and put inside the house, especially during the night. If not in the night, the humidity that is around will go again the figs and they will have the mold and you will throw everything away. The same principle of the sun-dried tomatoes. The one that you see behind me is Ruffano in Apulia. So if next year you want to visit Italy and you want to have a holiday in Apulia, in the south of Italy, let me know. You can write me here, or it's better if you write me on Instagram in a private chat. I can help you to find a spectacular house. So during this day I will update you which one is better. You can also cover them with something like this, linen, towel, a net, to avoid the birds will eat your figs and also the insects. After 3 days we turn them upside down. After 4-5 days that you are drying your figs, you can go ahead with the recipe. Remember, the figs should be dry but not like a stone. Be careful. After, you need almonds, cinnamon, lemon and bay leaves. The almonds you need to roast it or toast it in the oven 10 minutes at 180 Celsius degree. Be careful, some they are small, so they are very dark, but I like it more crunchy and burnt taste, but up to you. Now we take one almond and put inside the figs, the zest, the cinnamon powder. We close the figs and we bake 8-10 minutes, no more. Remember after 4 minutes to turn upside down. The grandma, she never checked the clock. She checked the figs and she know, but we don't know. So we should try 8-10 minutes, no more. Now that you come close, I can show you that they are both dry with the wood or with the pan. So up to you. The tools that you have, you can use both. And I can show you also that they are dry but not like a stone. Because when you dry them, they close a little bit. With your finger you push like this. Put here, almond inside, smash. Now cinnamon powder and lemon. Put in the oven. After, when they are ready, when they are still warm, please don't burn your fingers, you put inside a jar, a glass jar like this, with some bay leaves. Usually you put them still warm because they are soft. When they are cold, they are more hard, so it's difficult to put inside a jar. One jar will be enough because at the end we have only 18 dry figs. And after, naturally, we will test them. Be careful. And voila. Now you see the container a little bit foggy because they are still warm. After, when they will be cold, the container will be, we can say, vacuum, so you can preserve like this 6 months, 1 year. When they will be cold, we will taste it. See you later. Spectacular. Thank you, nonna Palma. Thank you, grandma Palma. They are spectacular, especially in the winter, in front of a fireplace. This one is new, is old, but I'm renewing it, so I can sit inside. But in the winter, when the sky is not blue like this, and you are a little bit sad, you eat 2 of these and your evening will improve a lot. Okay guys, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe here on the channel. Click on the bell, this way you will not miss any of my video. If you have some requests, some advice, always down in the comment, especially if you try to make sun dried figs or dry figs, let us know down in the comment, especially your advice. Bye bye. There are few, so I will keep it for the winter. You put here, and when you are set, you can have one. Bye bye.